go. Hello there. I would love to welcome you to this video lessons. My name is Luvosi Forex, and I'm here to share with you how to trade Forex. Now, what you're seeing on the screen is an example of a trade that I made yesterday based on a strategy that I will share in this video lesson on how to trade this strategy. So the strategy is very easy, and I'm going to walk you through how I did it, how I managed to buy this Forex pair. So the first thing that I looked for, first you come here to Forex. Of course, you have to use trading view. You have to use trading view. Then you add the Forex pairs. So let's add the Forex pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this strategy can be used in Forex options trading. Let's see how to do here. So this strategy can be used in Forex options traded. Let's see. So what we're doing right now is we're added the Forex options. Okay, so alright, so now after we added the Forex options, now we come here to the technicals. Now the first thing we're looking for is a strength on the 4 hours. So if you see strength on the 4 hours like this with the MACD buy signal over here, right, another strength on the moving day average with on the day signal, and another strength on the week. Now as you can see, as long as the momentum has a sell signal there, that's your entry. But the moment the momentum loses the sell signal, then you have lost the buy signal there. So what does this mean? So basically what this means is that this pair, this currency pair here is still in a very good buying position, right? Reason being is, especially if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we still have a sell signal on the momentum and a buy signal on the MACD. Let's see if we can go a little further into the 2 hour, and we also have the same on the 2 hours. So basically from the 2 hour chart time chart all the way up to 1 week, we have buy signal confirmation with strong moving day averages. But let's check with AUR USDT. Okay, it looks very similar. It looks very similar indeed. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Do we have a MACD buy signal? Yes, we do. Let's go to the 1 day, see what we have. Yes, very similar. And then finally Let's go to the 1 week. Okay, so this is news to me because yesterday I did not witness a buy signal. So in this instance, what we want or what we are looking for is a pull back. All right. So unlike this one here, again, personally, I would not enter this even though the buy signals are there, because there is no pullback, right? So there has to be a pullback on the chart pattern, something like what you are seeing here. So there has to be a clear pullback with a sign of an entry. So we're going to make an entry on the previous candlestick bar. Right here. There we go. So that's your sign of an entry. Let me just enter this. So as you can see here, there's a buy on the entry. So it has to be on the previous bar. Again, there has to be a pullback. So it's kind of similar to what happened here. So basically there was a pullback on the previous chart, on the previous candle, and that's what created that entry signal, which is very similar to what we have here. So we have to have a pullback. The pullback is very, very, very important. Let's go to the next one now, so we can start even as further back as 2 hours. So we're looking at the MACD level, which is a buy signal. Momentum is a sell. Strong buy signal on the moving average. Let's look at the 4-hour. Strong buy signal on the moving average, which is awesome. Strong buy signal on the MACD with a momentum pullback, which is exactly what we're looking for on the 4 hours. Let's go to the day. We have same situation, MACD buy signal, pullback on the momentum, strong moving average. And then finally on the week, we still have a strong day, strong moving average, strong momentum, and strong MACD. And then again, we are looking for a pullback. Now the pullback is very, very, very important. So in that case, we have another pullback here. This is very, very important to take note of. Now let's go to USD JPY, and you can see the moving average is not giving us a strong moving average. You can see the differences, so we will ignore this one, most likely remove it from the watch list like that. Let's go to the next one, because remember, we're looking for a strong moving average like that. Very strong. Strong moving average there. Still strong moving average. Strong moving average. Awesome. Now we're looking for the MACD and the momentum entry. So we can see the MACD is positive here on the 2 hours. Okay, we have a positive MACD and a positive momentum on 4 hours. On the 4-day, we have a negative momentum and a positive MACD. On the weekly, we have a positive MACD and a positive momentum. Alright, so in this case, I would not enter this one because there is no sign of a pullback. So this is not a good entry. We have to have a sign of a pullback. Remember, the pullback is very, very important. So again, with this one, we'll start with the 4 hours. We'll notice the strong moving average here. On the day, we've noticed a strong moving average there. On the week, we've noticed, oh no strong moving average on the week. So we will not enter here. Again, we'll start with the moving average on the week. Do we have a strong moving average on the day? No, so we will not trade this one. Let's go to the next one. Do we have a strong moving day average on the day? On the week? No, we don't. We will not trade this one. The next one, again, remember, we're looking for a strong. We have a strong sell moving average on the week. On the day, do we have a strong sell moving average on the 4 hours? Strong on the 2 hours. So the next thing we're looking for is a sell signal on the MACD level. Another sell signal on the MACD level, but we have a very strong sell momentum for days. Let's check on the day. We have a strong sell signal on the MACD. And do we have a strong sell signal on the MACD? Yes. So let's look for a quote unquote bounce entry. And so we have seen a bounce entry here. So this one is a short sell entry. So this is a short sale entry. As you can see here, it has gone up a little bit, and so we have a short sale entry, and we can do it right here for the video. We can make a short sale entry right here for the video, and there we go. So definitely a good short sale entry, and for this one we mastered it. Now remember, there was a pullback. I remember at the time when I entered this trade, it had crashed up to that level, and then I was forced to buy. But again, it still crashed like 2 times before it finally broke out. So these moves, what you need to understand about these moves is they pull back here. It's giving us a neutral sign. Let me see what sign it gave us. It gave us a sell sign signal here. It's giving us a neutral sign. So neutral sign from here below, as you can see. So I'm not going to consider anything. Alright, it's giving us a strong buy signal. There is no sign of a pullback. Alright, it's giving us a strong buy signal. Is there a sign of a pullback here? Maybe it could be an opportunity for a pullback, because so remember, we're looking at the moving average. Oh, there you go. It's changed to a sell. So no, it has to be consistent from the 4 hours, and it has to be strong on the moving average. Very, very uh, strong. It should be a very, very strong signal. Okay, similar to what's happening here. Now, I think with this one, I think there is possibly a pullback. So that's what we're gonna check for. Let's check. We have a buy signal on the market D. We have a buy signal on the day. On the market D. Okay, so this one is another buy signal. So we can just clone this. Then we place it on the previous candlestick high, previous candlestick bar high. So excuse me, this one is definitely another buy signal. So we'll keep that one there. Alright, we have buy here, but no pullback, no sign of a pullback. Okay, we have sell, but no sign of a bounce. Okay. Alright, we have buy, but we do have, I think we do have a sign of a pullback, so let's just confirm as far as 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay, we will not trade this one. Let's try this one here. We have a buy signal. No. Let's try this one. Now we have a strong buy signal here on the moving average. And we don't have a strong buy signal on the day, so no dice. Remember, we want a very, very strong moving average, right? So it has to be strong on the moving average. Let me see. Okay. Ideally, if it's strong within 2 hours, ideally that's the best. But let's see what we have. Okay, we have a sell signal here. So no. And it's happening so fast, you know. You have to excuse me for being fast because I'm so good at what I do. Alright. Okay, we have a strong buy signal here. As far as 2 hours, because I want it to be very, very strong. We have a buy signal on the market D. I want it to be very, 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 very strong. You know, and I kind of learned this from my mentor Tim Sykes, saying, you know, look at all time frames. You know, look at all time frames. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we have already scanned this. Is this a sell? No, it's a neutral. So we have here. This could be a pullback. It could be, but the entry is very, very short. So let's make sure we confirm the pullback as far as 2 hours. Remember, I'm looking at the strength of the moving average. So let's see what we have here. We have a buy on the MACD. We have a buy on the MACD. Buy on the MACD. So that's the pullback. So uh, we do have a small pullback here. Can clone that. So if it if it passes here, then you do not buy, right? In fact, the original name of this line is not an entry, it's called a buy stop. That's not buy order entry, but it's called a buy stop order. So meaning once it passes that line, you do not buy. So the original name is the buy stop order or the buy stop, the buy order entry. So basically, if it passes this line over here, you stop buying, right? So basically, that's the main point of the line, right? So definitely, that's another pullback. I think we have another potential pullback here, but remember, we're looking for a strength in all the binds. So there you have it. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 the top 6 forex trades. We have the top 6 forex trade entries. So I think this is 1, 2, and I love confirming, so we can still confirm. Strong buy signals, as you can see here. But take note of the oscillator and how the oscillator is moving from the day to the 4 hours to the 2 hours. 2-hour oscillator is also very important. I do take note of that. So you can see the entry is coming from the 4 hour and the day, right? So you can see the oscillator that comes from the 4 hour and the day. So it's a very, 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 very powerful buy signal. If you look at it from the day, okay, let's just remove these joints. So if you look at it from the day, it is giving you dip buy vibes. Okay, it is kind of giving you dip buy vibes, right? I remember when I started trading forex. In the beginning, it was like, how is it that you can trade the forex pair before before it crosses, right? Because in this case, I used to think I have to wait for these two moving averages to cross, right? But then by the time these two moving averages cross, then the buy signal is over. So this is definitely a pullback. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me re-put the buy stop order so that you understand where it is. So this is a very, very powerful. This is a very, very, very important and powerful order here. So you can kind of see it there, and it's following the rocket booster strategy, which is very, very, very important. So this one is definitely a short sell with a short sell stop order, meaning short sell stop Here we go. I should search about that. There you go. So that's how I trade my forex. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been fun. Feel free to watch it again to see exactly how I found the top 6 forex pairs to trade. Now, ideally, you're not supposed to trade more than 5x on all of them, but as you can see already, we're already profitable. This was an example, and strategy works. It's foolproof. So trade safe out there. Learn risk management and profit taking strategies. That's my disclaimer. My disclaimer is trading is risky. Please learn profit taking strategies and risk management. And I'd love to thank my mentors, Timothy Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book, The Penny Stock Course, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and Matthew Creator, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks. Thank you to my mentors, and thank you for watching this video. The fact that you watched this video, you are ahead of about 99% of traders out there. Also, check out my videos to learn about the rocket booster strategy, which combines with everything, right? So the rocket booster strategy it's the basis of everything, right? So once you master the rocket booster strategy, then come back to this teaching. I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye and bye.